Hello, good guys. Welcome back to my channel. Let's Code with Kundan Kumar. Today, I have something exciting for you. If you have been looking for downloading a DeepSeek locally on your Windows machine, you are in the right place. Whether you are a researcher, coders, on etc., or you're looking for any first-time AI models, in this video, I will be guiding a step by step from the downloading the necessary files to set the environmental variables and running the DeepSeek locally to the machines. So please stay tuned and let's get started. So first thing first, today the world is talking about the DeepSeek, and when we talk about the performance of this DeepSeek, most of the the fields the DeepSeek is the performing well. When you go for the DeepSeek, the performance of the DeepSeek is mostly in the all the category is performing well. So you can have these comparison charts, you can compare. Your chart GPT is here, and you have a Claude, and you have DeepSeek. You can see the percentage is most of the cases the percentage is higher for the DeepSeek. So why you should learn this DeepSeek locally? Because it is open source and local deployment. It is free available, and you can download your this DeepSeek on locally to your machines. It is also optimized for efficiency. It is designed to perform the well on consumer grade machines, especially when you install this application integrated with the LM Studio or Olama. So let's get started. So what we need to do, we need to visit the the Googles and look for the LM Studio. First thing first, we have to go there, LM Studio. Click over this, and you need to download for the Windows version on your choice of this. So I'm going to click here, Windows version. Click over that. This download has started. It's download started at 455 MB. I'm going to cancel it because I have already installed this, this application, you can see. So I'm going to cancel it, guys. So once you download this one, please run this LMS Studio as an administrator. Yes. Click next. Next. This will take at some time. So meanwhile, you can enjoy the cup of coffee and then relax as it's downloading the things. We can see, let me see how much is installed. So it's installed. Here, downloaded complete. We can click finish. After finishing here, this one, okay, once it's finished, we have to say that get your first LLM. Click over there, launch. Okay, click over there, download. So now you have to choose. You can search something. So they're telling DeepSeek R1 distilled on Q blah blah blah. you know Even you can start a scope, skip onboarding. You can go download this one, is a 4 GB. Or I can think we can do something else also. Let me scroll bar and see. Okay, skip there. As we are here, we can click on the magnify glass and search your models. We can search here deep seek. I know it's this model is there. You can see, you can select the, and they can you find all the required, the details. You can see here is a 4.68 GB. This is a 4.6 GB. V2 is a 4.92 GB. Likely too large for these machines. They are saying this is a too large for this machine, not recommending. Let me go for this one. And we have also something light, so we can go with one of these. Let me click over that, and you can go through what all the facilities there, disclaimers. So I'm going to download. This is a download. I am going to download this one. Here you can see on the download. I click over the download. It may take some time. You can see that it depends, that this download speed depends on your internet speed. So as taking time, you can see download. Let me pause my video. Now we can see downloading 100%. So just wait for the couple of seconds as it's finalizing the download. This may take a few moments. So wait few moments. Yes, you can see download completed. Load the models. They are asking the load the models. We can load clicking here as well. But there is another way also we can load the models. Okay, so you can click here, you can see click here. So another way also you can go in the chart and so let me click over there and load the model. I'm clicking the load the models. Okay, also you can click the load the models. Load model is loaded. So now here you can say a name chart. Let me delete something is it came automatically. Let me keep one of these only. That's it. You can click here also. So let me see another way also you can load the models. Once you go to the chart, if that is you miss to load the models, you can click on the chart then navigate to this and you can select the model which was loaded. Okay, currently there your models is available here. You can manually choose the model for load parameters, blah blah blah, and you can load it. So this is a model is loaded. Let me write, hi DeepSeek, how are you? Hello, I'm just a virtual assistant, so I don't have feeling, but I am here ready to help you with whatever you need. How can I assist you today? Thank you to know you. Today, draft simple songs for the good night. You can see the DeepSeek having the thinking tag. So currently the DeepSeek is thinking, the assistant is using the DeepSeek R1 distill. This is a model name. You can download the various model that you can go for the search. Meanwhile, let me go. You can click here search, you can find the model, you can scroll, you can go there, look for the better, which one is a better fit your wrong. You can see likely too large for these machines. You can explore, you can go through the content, disclaimers, everything's, and try to look for the which one is the best model for you based on the space. Okay, you can see this is this much GB, 347 GB. That's why it's telling too large. Okay, so meanwhile it's still thinking, this is thinking. Okay, fine, blah blah blah, thinking for the 48.47 seconds. They think here is simple shooting good night song draft for you. Okay, so verse is one, you let's say good night to the day. So this song is created. Suppose you are a program and you are asking, please draft instructional guide to me to write Python program in Jupyter notebook. If you are a programmer, you can write down. Some single spelling mistake is there. This is AI tool. They will manage themselves. Okay, you can see they are downloading a still. So they are just keeping here. So meanwhile, they are downloading. Still they are creating a, let me stop this song. Okay, just for meanwhile, and then we let me say here guide. I have done some mistakes, adjust themselves, because since it is AI tool, they are intelligent, they will know what to do. So they are thinking, assistant, they have think tank. The think tank will think always what they actually am asking, and how these questions could be answered, a best way can be answered to us. So you can see guys how cool it is, how super it is to install the DeepSeek AI app in your local machine. No need of internet, your local data is safe to your local machine. Whenever you think that you want to use the DeepSeek, just open your computer and enjoy doing. So still taking time, so let them think and see. So guys, if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed my channel, please hit this subscribe button and don't forget to select all, so you will not miss the notifications. They have lots of exciting videos that it can be helpful to you. Please keep watching, keep exploring on my channel. Please put commenting, liking, sharing the videos to your friends. I will be happy to see your comments in my comment box. So let's get back to this, the DeepSeek, but taking time. Okay, I can see I expanded. Okay, want to help you to create a Python program using Jupyter Notebook. First, I need to understand. Now, certainly, now the think tank is done. Now they are providing the answer. You can see here. So let me minimize it. Just I minimize this one by clicking on this expand. And the instruction guide is Python is here with writing Python program in Jupyter Notebooks. Okay, fine. So they're giving all the instructions, setting up the and creating a new notebooks, they're giving here opening Jupyter notebook. So this was a simple query I have asked to this DeepSeek, and they are very, very smart. So guys, this is the one we can see here. It was done here. So that's it guys. They're talking about the variables, blah blah blah. Let me give it, because they're thinking that how to write all the programs. So let me stop it guys here simply. If you are if you hope you have this video is very helpful to you, and please watch, share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I like my videos, lots of playlists is there. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.